When using the Titan Logix TD100 FINCH II system, you will find that there are many built-in features to keep the operator safe and your equipment working. These features include the use of error codes to keep the operator aware of the system status. The error code that I would like to talk about is the E20 error. When operating the Titan system, there is a small chance that you may encounter the E20 error code, which will pop up on the FINCH II display. The E20 error originates in the TD100 transmitter and is related to the signal that's emitted from the transmitter that measures the fluid in your tank. When this main signal gets disrupted or is missing, then the transmitter will generate an E20 error. There are several reasons that could cause the E20 code. The most common cause of the E20 is when the transmitter is loose on the probe. This can be remedied by tightening the large nut under the transmitter. Another cause could be the shorting of the probe above the spill level, which is 0 to 7 inches below the probe threads. Check for debris attached to the probe. A loose shorting block at the bottom of the probe can also be a problem. Remove probe and check for loose or missing set screws. Finally, if the E20 code is constantly displayed on the FINCH II, then there is an internal problem in the TD transmitter. The transmitter needs to be replaced or repaired. I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions on this error code, please do not hesitate to contact Titan Logix technical support. Thank you and goodbye.